learning Chinese language, learning a word every day. Today, we are learning about 佛系. First, let's watch an animation about the word 佛系.
他这个人特别佛系，什么都不在乎。
佛系是信佛教的人吗？
不是，佛系是一种生活态度，不争不抢，很淡定。
A few minutes later.
考试没考好也没关系，我很佛系。
没考好也佛系，不难过吗？
佛系就是看淡一点，顺其自然。
Later.
我们吃饭吧，随便吃什么都行，我很佛系。
我明白了，佛系就是都行，都可以，没关系。
没错，
那我也要做一个佛系的人。Today, we will learn the usage of the word 佛系 in Chinese. Before learning the usage, let's read it 3 times together. 佛系, 佛系, 佛系. The Chinese word 佛系 is a popular internet word. It describes a calm, casual attitude, not fighting, not competing, not caring much about gains or losses. First scenario, 佛系青年. Let's read it 3 times together. 佛系青年, 佛系青年, 佛系青年. It means young people who take things easy and don't argue much. Second scenario, 很佛系. Let's read it 3 times together. 很佛系, 很佛系, 很佛系. It means very calm, not fussy. Go with the flow. Third scenario, 佛系生活. Read with me 3 times. 佛系生活, 佛系生活, 佛系生活. It means a casual, low-pressure lifestyle. Scenario 4, 佛系吃饭. Let's read it 3 times together. 佛系吃饭, 佛系吃饭, 佛系吃饭. It means not picky about food. Anything is okay. Scenario 5, 佛系心态. Read it 3 times with me. 佛系心态, 佛系心态, 佛系心态. It means a peaceful state of mind, not easily angry or anxious. The opposite of 佛系is 要真, which means earnest, fussy, caring too much. In daily life, 佛系 is usually used in a light, joking way to describe relaxed people. Okay, that's all about the usage of the Chinese word 佛系. Here's a suggestion for you. When learning Chinese, you can try to give yourself an authentic Chinese name. In this way, when interacting with Chinese people in the future, they will be more likely to remember you and leave a better impression on them. If you want to choose a Chinese name, you can watch my other videos or visit directly www.chinesename.me. Choose a genuine and meaningful Chinese name for yourself. All right, that's all for today's study. Goodbye.